Okay, everybody settle down. Court is in session, you punk-ass Nigerians. I saw a write-up today. Only Atiku can defeat Tinubu. Atiku is as old as dirt. In 1975, when I was a draftsman at Ministry of Mines and Power in Kaduna, Independence Way, Kaduna, opposite the old General Hospital, near the old Kaduna Stadium. 1975, I was a draftsman there. The Minister of Mines and Power then was, I believe, Ali Monguno. Atiku was already a controller in customs. The man, I'm 70 years old. That motherfucker is as old as dirt. You want to make him president of Nigeria, and he will spend the 3 of the first 4 years in hospital in Dubai. Because look at his fat stomach. He can't tie his shoes. He's going to be there only to steal from you. When has Fulani been gracious to Hausa? You Hausa, back with the Kwakwalua, Yambura Uwa, you are going to elect Atiku Abubakar, a proven thief, a Fulani. Just being Fulani disqualifies him, because Fulani has never been justiciable to Hausa. And many Zakuchi Dusa Yandurung Uwa, since you don't know. When has Fulani been gracious to Hausa? When? Isa Ali Farfesa Isa Ali Pantami. What do Nigerian professors do? And let me tell you this, you goddamn motherfuckers. Look up Symbiosis Capital Management. That is my son's fund. He has added 10 years onto the lifespan of mankind in terms of the work he does over the nearly 30 pharmaceutical companies that he leads. He's the #1 individual who has been using AI to repurpose existing medicines and make new drugs. That is learning. He's in the top 0.1% of intellectuals in the world. He is evil, but you don't hear about him. You are following Larabawa. Get the fuck out of my page.